What's the one skill that could double your HVAC sales without spending a dime on marketing? Here's a hint. It's not about talking, it's about listening, and not just any listening. Hey there, HVAC pros. Chris Morin with HVAC Pro Blog. Today we're diving into something that could completely transform your sales game. It's called active listening. I know, you're probably thinking, I already know how to listen. But trust me, what I'm about to share could be the difference between closing a sale and watching it hold the door for you as you walk out. Let me tell you a quick story from when I was just 7 years old. You see, my grandfather always seemed to be subtly teaching lessons to his grandkids. Perhaps was a Korean War Army vet and a POW of a Chinese prison camp. I owe a lot of the help I'm getting today from the VA to him, his persistence in me scheduling exams, and really his generation. Anyhow, when I was 7, he told me to tell me everything you know. I honestly didn't know where to start, so I started talking about the Red Sox starting lineup that day, which was something I was confident with at age 7. Once I finished that first point, he stopped me and said that if anyone ever asked me that, don't just start blabbing. Then they'll know twice as much as me and I haven't learned anything. I'm sure it was more eloquent than this, but what I remembered in telling you secondhand after more than 35 years is the same resolution. This was my first lesson in active listening. So, what's active listening? Let's get real for a second. Active listening isn't just nodding your head while waiting for your turn to talk. It's about fully engaging with your potential customers, understanding their needs, and picking up on those subtle hints they may not even be saying out loud. Do me a favor. Drop a note in the comments if you've ever lost a sale because of a communication breakdown. Here's why the power of active listening matters so much in our industry. First, it builds instant trust, and we all know trust equals sales. Next, it helps you uncover the real problems your customers are facing. And of course, it can dramatically increase your close rate. Think about it. When was the last time you felt truly listened to as a customer? Let me share with you some game-changing practical techniques. First, maintain eye contact and keep an open posture. Second, never interrupt, even when you know the solution. Next, reflect back what you're hearing. And then, of course, ask powerful, open-ended questions. Now, we all face these common obstacles, but we need to break through some of these barriers as well. First, getting distracted by planning our response. Of course, external noise and distractions like cell phones, and even making assumptions about what the customer needs. Here's your actionable game plan. Start with the initial contact and establish rapport through listening. During your needs assessment, you can still gather all the detailed information. As always, present solutions that are tailored to their specific situation, and be sure to close by addressing concerns you've picked up throughout the conversation. Remember, active listening isn't just a skill, it's your secret weapon in HVAC sales. It's what separates the top performers from just the average ones. So start implementing these techniques today, and I'll guarantee you'll see a difference in your results. If you found this valuable, please like and subscribe for more HVAC sales tips. And hey, let me know in the comments, what's your biggest challenge when it comes to listening to customers? Let's help each other grow. Thanks for joining me at HVAC Pro Blog, where we provide advice for residential system design, quality installation, and system diagnosis. I'll see you soon.